Installing a Rainbird drip irrigation system involves several key considerations. Firstly, proper system design is crucial. Determine the water needs of your plants and the area you intend to irrigate. Choose the correct type and quantity of sprinklers, drippers, and tubing to match these needs. Lay out the system strategically to ensure uniform water distribution, preventing both underwatering and overwatering. Secondly, using quality materials is essential for a long-lasting and efficient system. Opt for durable and ultraviolet-resistant materials such as polyethylene tubing and brass fittings, which can withstand exposure to the elements. Select sprinklers and drippers that feature adjustable flow rates, allowing you to customize watering based on the specific requirements of different plants. Thirdly, proper installation techniques are vital to prevent damage and ensure optimal performance. Dig trenches deep enough to protect the tubing from damage caused by foot traffic or equipment. Lay the tubing and sprinklers or drippers carefully within the trenches, making sure they are level and securely positioned. Use appropriate fittings and clamps to connect all components tightly, preventing leaks. Fourthly, pressure regulation is important for consistent water distribution. Install a pressure regulator at the water source to maintain a steady pressure level throughout the irrigation system. This will help prevent leaks and ensure that water is distributed evenly to all plants, regardless of their distance from the source. Fifthly, filtration is necessary to prevent clogging and maintain the efficiency of the system. Use a filter to remove impurities from the water source before it enters the irrigation system. This will prevent the sprinklers and drippers from becoming clogged with sediment or debris, ensuring they continue to function properly. Sixthly, a timer can greatly simplify watering and ensure plants receive water on a consistent schedule. Install a timer to automate watering schedules, eliminating the need for manual watering. Set watering times based on the specific needs of your plants and adjust them according to weather conditions to avoid overwatering or underwatering. Seventhly, regular maintenance is essential to keep the irrigation system in good working order. Inspect the system regularly for any leaks or damage, and repair them promptly. Clean the sprinklers and drippers as needed to prevent clogging, ensuring they continue to distribute water effectively. Fertilize plants through the system if desired, using a fertilizer injector to deliver nutrients directly to the roots. Some additional tips to consider include consulting a drip irrigation consultant for professional guidance. If you are unsure about any aspect of the installation process, a consultant can provide valuable advice and ensure the system is set up correctly. Plan for future expansion. If you anticipate needing to expand the irrigation system in the future, design the initial system with expansion in mind. This will make it easier to add new zones or components as needed. Use mulch around plants to retain moisture and suppress weeds. Mulch helps to reduce water evaporation from the soil, keeping plants hydrated for longer periods. It also helps to prevent weed growth, which can compete with plants for water and nutrients. Be patient and adjust watering schedules as needed to optimize plant growth. It may take some time to find the optimal watering schedule for your plants. Observe their growth and adjust the watering schedule accordingly to ensure they are receiving the right amount of water.